Okay, y'all, I am excited about this next new feature in New Outlook. I want you to imagine you're working on a big project and your boss sends you an email with a link to some important research. In New Outlook for Windows, when you click on that link, it opens right next to your email in Microsoft Edge by default. Now, you can easily read the research while still keeping your eye on the email all in one view. You can even reply to the email from the Microsoft Edge browser. No more flipping back and forth between windows. Everything you need is right there, side by side. This makes things so much easier. Now, this feature is not available to Outlook free versions or Microsoft 365 individual, family, or academics plans. And as I mentioned earlier, Microsoft Edge is the default browser. Your organization can configure their proper browser for everyone, or the users can manage the preferred browser. So let me show you where these settings are. In New Outlook, click on View, View Settings, under General, Files and Links. Here is where you can specify the Microsoft Edge or whatever your company's default browser is. Just hit save and you're all set.